This concludes our video broadcast day for the School Channel 36. We hope you found this evening's broadcast informative and enjoyable. If you would like to submit a videotape for broadcast or volunteer to help with our video broadcasting effort, please contact Sandy Lemasters at 725-9206 or at 120 West Washington Street. I would like to remind you that this is a zero-budget project with no cost to Medina City Schools or its taxpayers. I would like to take this opportunity to thank some of the volunteers who made this video broadcast possible. Pat Tilk and Sandy Lemasters in promotions, Pete and Cindy Collins and Dale Wyant in helpful hints for videotaping, Debbie Abley and Dave Tilk in editing, Charlie Irish and Tom Lair with standards, Bill Look, Frank Blonska, and others in varying capacities. On behalf of the Medina City Schools, I'm Rob Wilder, member of the Board of Education. Good evening.